Hello, so today I'm going to talk to you about my NEA, which is a facial recognition software. This particular software is integrated with SQL 3 as the database. So let's get on some of the features. So the first feature is the ability to add a new person to the database. So we're going to start off by adding a new person. So what this should do is let me write this all down. So what this should do is it should add a new person to a database. Just to show you there is no one in the database before. So there's no one called Tatum in the database. Close that. And then just to show you, what it'll also do is it'll create a picture and also create a TXT file of it, which is the address of each individual pixel. As you can see, if I scroll through the whole thing, there is no Tatum file currently there. Not file, image and TXT. So now if we input this, now I'm going to take the image. So now it's taken the image, we should check the database. Reload that real quick. There you go, not sure I didn't open the first time. So here is the main, which we have added. ID is 5. So the file name and the image name has taken the last name and added what was needed, so .png and .txt, and the address to make it different, to specify what it actually is. The floor has been added with, of course, ID 5, because all these, the salutation and the floor is connected to the main by the ID. So now we should check the folder. As you can see, a very poor quality image, but it works. And also here is the text document with each individual pixel converted to an integer value. So now we should test the removing of the person, and we shall remove the same person as we've just added to make it easy. Person has been successfully removed, so let's just go back to our database and check to see if it has been removed. Open database. As you can see, I'm not sure if I opened the right folder. Let me just double check. But yep, there is no one called Tatum in that folder. So now what we'll do is we'll check to see if we input the same thing and try and remove Tatum again, even though there is no one in the database called Tatum, if the code still runs. As you can see, it does, well, it stops the code and says, there's no such file, please try again. So if we run the code again. So now we'll check the actual image recognition. So we want to check test image 3 resized, which is, if I get the image up, is this image here. And we are comparing it to this image, this image, this image, and this image. And as you can see, image 3, just by looking at it, is the closest image. And so we should be expecting image 3 back, which is, let me just get the database back up. So image 3, we should be expecting the name Emmeline Rosbach. As you can see, we've got Emmeline Rosbach with the floor. It was like they have access to, and the time is taken to analyze that, which is very quick, a quarter of a second. And yeah, so the only visible feature left is cancel, and that just simply cancels everything, close code, and yeah, thank you for listening.